Hello, and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 22 from the Consortium Group 2 2011 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. Belinda has a digital alarm clock. The numbers on the clock are displayed as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Belinda's digital alarm clock shows the time 1:10. She puts it upside down on her bedside table, and the same time is shown. At what times between 1:10 and 12 does the clock show the same time when it is upside down as when it's the right way up? This question may seem difficult at first, but there is a very easy and methodical way we can approach it. Let's flip our numbers upside down and consider what we have to look for to eliminate a few options. We know that the same time is shown when the clock is flipped upside down, so the first thing we need to look for is numbers which are viewed the same when they're upside down. As you can see here, those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 5, and 8. So our times can only be composed of those numbers. Now, in order for the time to be the same when viewed upside down, there has to be vertical symmetry from the colon, e.g. 1:10 is symmetrical. This is because when upside down, you will read from right to left. Now let's move on to the next time. Our next time will start with a 0 and a 2. Remember, the question is asking for times between 1:10 and 12, so our next time cannot start with 20. For the time to be symmetrical at the colon, we repeat our starting numbers backwards, so our final time must be 2:20. The next number we identified was 5. We can't have 50 as our time, so our starting numbers must be 0 and 5. Now we apply the rule we talked about before to get our final time of 5:50. Now moving on to our next number, which was 8. We already know that our starting numbers must be 0 and 8, and applying the rule would give us a final time of 8:80. However, 80 minutes is not possible, and therefore 8:80 cannot be one of our answers. Now let's jump up to 10. We know that both 1 and 0 are the same when viewed upside down, so we can have a time of 10:01. And our final starting number within the brackets of 1:10 and 12 is 11. Applying our rule gives us a final time of 11:11, and those are all the times that can fit into our answer. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.